And what up? What's good with y'all? Your boy back. I know lately I've been doing videos with my girl. Then the last video I posted was like practicing some editing, want to do some more cinematic stuff, kind of showing y'all and telling y'all what was going on and the way I was doing things. But today we back. We got a full car day today. And oh yeah, so on my last video, I think at around 8 minutes, I attempted to do a little cinematic clip, just trying some new edits and stuff. I asked y'all for y'all opinions, but since it was my birthday, everybody in the comments were saying happy birthday, so nobody really gave me feedback on the actual edit. So if you can you go back at 8 minutes, just watch the cinematic clip and give me feedback and let me know how do you guys like that that style of editing with those frames per second and all that, because it is a different way of editing than I normally would be editing. So when y'all see that in these comments, let me know if it's cool. If it ain't, just I need y'all opinions, because as of right now, y'all are kind of like my my consumers for my product, aka my videos I'm editing and posting up for y'all. So I need y'all opinion on making my quality and my product better for y'all entertainment and for y'all liking. So go back 8 minutes in the last video and look at that, and then let me know if y'all like it or not. Since today is going to be packed with 350Z stuff today, I'm going to get the new look on. So really no time to BS. I gotta hurry up and basically just jump into today. So quick little index on what's going to be going on today. Right now I'm about to be going to get a ride. Gotta go to Mars. When I go to Mars, I gotta grab his truck. I'm gonna take his truck, I'm gonna go to Twinkies, I'm gonna go pick up the parts, and then we're gonna go back to Mars. Once we get to Mars, I'm gonna be installing the new look and everything on the 350Z. That way y'all can see how all the new stuff looks, aka the KBD front bumper and the new Flyone fenders, all with the candy stuff on them and blah blah blah, all freshly painted. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's jump into today, and it should be cool. Hopefully this all looks good. I haven't got to see what everything looks like on the car, so this will be my first time seeing it, y'all first time seeing it. But hopefully it looks good, doesn't look right, doesn't look stupid, because in my mind I picture it looking all good. But just because you can picture it in your head doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna come out looking good. It might come out looking boof, so you never know. So we're about to go see what how that's looking, and I'm just waiting for my ride to get here. So let's get into it. First stop of the day, we're here at Mars already. Got the keys to the big ass truck over here, and now I'm about to be off to Twinkies. So hopefully we get back before traffic, trying to wrap this up and get everything mounted and test fitted before 6. I want to be done by 6. That's the plan. All right, I'm out, fool. I'll be back.
All right, brothers, here we go. My new channel. I'm going to be out here building these big lifted forts. Let's get started, brother. Gonna do some rock crawling and some mudding today. Oh, you hear that, America? This right here is a 302, straight from Ford.
Oh, never mind. This truck is a Chevy. Fuck. let's get going. Y'all think I be BSing, but I in real life be having fun, like vlogging and talking shit and talking into the camera and stuff. Like I like way be entertaining myself. That's probably part of the reason I really like vlogging. All right, so just a heads up. Now I have the wide angle lens on here, just because it was all hella close when you're in a car and stuff, or when you're in a short space, or a tight space I should say. You can't really get much in the angle, so now we got the super wide angle lens on, and now y'all can see your boy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this on for the rest of the day. I'm gonna do both, with and without, so the rest of this video will be with it. Come on, bruh. Damn. Yo, no lie, like this thing could probably eat every single dollar I've had saved up for the SE build. Like, Jesus fucking Christ, you thirsty little bitch, you. Bruh, this is why I hate trucks. Like, I put $60 in it. I am offended as fuck. Jesus, $60 and do fucking absolutely a little. What up, ho? What up, ho? Seriously? That big ass booger. Got that shit. This nigga had a big ass booger.
You want your parts or not?
You nasty.
It's segregated right here. Black's over there.
It's my car, it's on my roof, so what? The roof gotta get painted anyway. It looks dope, especially right here, where you can see the dark, like the dark carbon.
To be like full carbon and then fade into the normal. That's what I was saying, like candy, full candy, candy fade into the blue. But that looks fine. That works.
Looks fine to me. Oh, great. What is this? Oh, the string I used. For real, you gonna put this metal on fresh paint?
Has flex on it.
He's Fast and the Furious approving my hood right now.
Adds 10 horsepower.
Yeah, last vent. Definitely looks better with the mesh in there. And yeah, it don't matter. I gotta go load all this and get it on anyway. You don't have to clean it. Twinkie was trying to cut and buff it, but it's like, we'll wait and do all that later. We still ain't even cut and buff the rest of the car, so.
I did it so it can match.
This for Twinkie's the ghetto body shop.
Shit works. These are for your side skirts. Oh, I drilled that one out to put a zip tie to it.
Come on, amigo. Hurry up, Wade. Come on, hurry up, Wade. You got it or what, bro? Muscles, come on. I can't hold the camera and lift, bro.
Oh, I got you. Now hold the camera.
Yeah, fucking hell. You weak ass, you just couldn't lift it.
Come on, amigo. Let's go.
I don't know if you want me to. Oh, look, see, that shit got me. You worried about me wiping it on you, but you. Let me see. Give me my camera.
Got my camera now.
Look at your hood.
Bye, amigo.
He didn't want to let me wipe my hand on him, but look at his hoodie. Like, come on,
Yeah, I
bro.
ripped that shit hella bad.
Rip that shit all the way off. Both fenders inside chilling with me, and then we got the hood and the KBD bumper. So let's head back to Mars now and get all this mounted on. Fingers crossed that this looks good. Fingers crossed, and hopefully the color matches up good.
Quarter pound music. Say I got it now.
Man, the clouds look hella nice right now. It's actually a nice little drive right here. All this farmland, open road. But that sky view though. Let's get to work on this. All right, so let's get started. First things first, jack this thing up, and I have to take the front spacers off because these old front fenders were way wider. So let's get that done real quick. So fender just sitting up there looks a bajillion times better. This looks real good. Only issue is the little pre mold insert things, I guess, where they recommend you to drill at. Them shits don't line up for nothing. Their holes right here don't line up at all. Like none of the holes that they had basically line up at all. So like, pointless. Other than that, fitment looks pretty good around the door and everything. But if you get these, just don't even bother using their little pre-insert where you drill that whole thing, because them just don't line up for caca. So I'm gonna re-drilling these and getting these on. This side kind of bolted down. Everything's not fully mounted. It's probably on by 3 bolts. So one right here, one up top, and then one right there. But it looks real good. I definitely like this look a lot better now. So I want to do a quick little voiceover just to show y'all this area that I'm pointing at. It does not sit flush, it kind of protrudes up. So other than the mountain holes in this little area kind of being upward like that, those are the only issues I've really ran into so far. But for those that are wondering about the fitment, there it is. All right, let's get this hood and front bumper on. That way we can see what it looks like complete. So we have a little dilemma with the front bumper. Right in here, on the back side, we need to trim that some more. Hitting the oil cooler lines, and it's actually hitting the piping, so I need to trim both sides real quick. So you can see the difference between my old bumper. Everything's super flat back there, so that's the old bumper. And then you have this one, which is the new one. So yeah, this is the reason why it isn't clearing. This one doesn't have a whole bunch of crap right there, whereas this one has all kinds of little, you know, extra shit. So well, that sucks. Wanted to get this on and see what it looked like, but womp womp womp. So we're about to be calling this a day. It's actually starting to rain right now, so we don't really got time to be planning cutting this. How you go from hella nice out to raining? Tragic. So I guess we'll call this a day here. But yeah, looks good though. Kind of happy with how it's looking. Definitely need to do some aligning because it's all off right now, bruh. Like these gaps are crazy. Like look at this. This shit look like a gap from Tony Hawk Pro Skater. He needs some milk. I'll get it situated though, but I'm calling it a day.